So this recording is going to use PuTTYgen to generate some SSH keys so I can access my website through PuTTY. So I'm just going to move this around for randomness. And I'm just going to put something in here. Now I'm going to save the private key. And then this up here, I need to transfer this to the cPanel. So I've got to copy this, go into cPanel, and then log in, and then I go down to security, SSH, manage keys, import key, and I'm going to have this as my school tools, passphrase, and I'm just picking something so you can see how it's done. Now here's the key. Paste this in. This is what I copied from the PuTTY generator here. So now I'm going to import back to manage. Now notice it's now imported, but it's not authorized, so I have to click on manage and authorize it. So now I can close out of that and I can go into PuTTY. Now I have it set up for default for my website, and this is the port that the website is set to. So I'm going to go down to authentication and make sure I have the right one picked. So then all I have to do is click open. And now I will type in my username and it'll authenticate, and then it'll give me success.